so you don't knock her over. Watch out, Tori.
Hey!
Watch out, Tori.
Move, Tori! Ooh!
Hang on, Rhett. Don't let go.
Here I go. How am I doing? Whoa! Out of track!
Yep.
Yeah.
Hi, Tori.
Oh,
Tori, set that down. So help your sister get the toys out of the hallway.
oh, what? Dog toys up in the hallway.
Finish. If you needed to use the bathroom bad, you would have used the bathroom before you started looking at these papers. Now, what about 30? In between 34 and
Yeah.
Don't rollerblade, Summer.
It's in between those two.
is?
It's Daddy, take out
What's
the
this question asking?
That is different.
There.
$14.99. Also, it will also include the egg white separator for a no-fat, no cholesterol breakfast. Start your day with a heart-healthy egg white omelet. But wait, call in the next 10 minutes and we'll send you 2 more egg waves. Plus, this microwavable egg wave caddy. That's 4 egg waves, recipe guide, egg separator, and microwavable caddy. All for only $14.99. Now enjoy extraordinary eggs in seconds. So get cracking and order your egg wave today. Have your credit card ready? Call this toll-free number to order your egg wave for only $14.99 plus shipping and handling. Order now, and there's a special bonus. You'll receive the egg wave separator and caddy absolutely free. Call this number now or send your check or money order to the address on your screen. Order your egg wave today. Coming up next, projects from start to finish. How the experts got you through. Look good. It's always great to be home again with Rob. Second episode of Next Hands-On TLC. TLC takes you to the front lines of life. Everybody goes through trauma surgery, likes to be part of the intense action. Face the unexpected and the unthinkable. That's TLC tonight.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I tell you, Casey. Where's my Casey? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Mom,
There's my baby.
I just climbed for the fence. I did.
I tell ya. Peek some my buzz. There's it. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Katie, Katie. Where's Casey? Where's Casey? There she is. It's almost her birthday. What's you doing? Hey, Tori, pull her over this way, would you? Hang on, let's see if we can get her walking. I'll see you in a minute. Tori? Tori. Child abuse from a child. Tori. Let her go, Tori. 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 Let her go. Tori. Tori. I know she can walk. You know she can walk. We're not going to get it on tape if you don't let her go. Hi, Toots.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Look at that beautiful girl. Where are we going tonight, Tori?
To the fireworks.
We are?
Yeah. And to Sarah's grandparents.
Godparents.
Grandparents.
Godparents. Leave her alone, Tori. Tori. Tori.
She said, yeah, we're going to the fireworks, Mom. We are.
Tori, get out of the way. Tori. Honey, you've had your turn.
Hey, Mama Casey's walking to you.
I know that.
Mama Casey loves to climb on you, Mama.
I know.
And here's Sam.
Hey, Tori,
Look.
go over there and get Casey to come to you. No. Go see Tori. Go see Tori. Get the red car. Move the car. Move the car. Bring it over here to the corner of the carpet. Okay, stop. Stop. Back up. Back up. Back up. Okay, now open the door. What is that, Case? What is that? What's she doing? Is she in your car? Is she in your car? Is Tori in your car? You better get in your car and go for a ride.
She was laughter.
Tori, go on. Go, Casey. Go get in a ride. Go get in your car and go for a ride.
First, you have to get a go on and get a ticket.
Get in, Casey.
She just got a ticket.
Get in your car. Go get in your car and go for a ride. Go get in your car with Tori and go for a ride. Go on.
But how to get out of it? Here, Casey, please. She wants to go. Hi, Mom.
Are you gonna get in there? Are you gonna get in there and go for a ride, Casey? Casey.
The cucumber. Here is strong voice, like a lion. Listen to the cucumber. Ow.
Mama, I got to take a picture.
Boy, is like a chorus of little birdies. Listen to the cucumber.
Casey. Casey, the girl who needs a haircut. Casey, bye.
Bye.
Bye, Case. You're waving.
Bye, bye.
Wave bye-bye, Tori.
Bye.
Wave bye.
I want to do that.
Come say bye, Pumpkin.
I didn't do anything.
That's all we're doing is saying bye before we go to the fireworks.
I didn't do anything.
We'll get you before we go with you in your little outfit, okay? Okay? Crab ass.